In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Airtable. Whether you're managing a small business, organizing your sales processes, or just want to keep track of your contacts, creating a custom CRM can make your life a lot easier. So let's dive in and set up your very own customer relationship management system using Airtable. First, we're going to start by heading over to Airtable's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But if you do, you can simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Airtable dashboard, which is your central hub for all things organizational. Next, we'll begin by clicking on the Create button. This is a crucial step as it allows us to start building something from scratch. When you click on Create, you'll be presented with a few options. For today, we're focusing on building an app on our own, so make sure you choose that option. This will give you the flexibility to tailor your CRM to meet your specific needs. Now that you've chosen to build an app on your own, it's time to start customizing your CRM. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see a spreadsheet-like interface where you can add columns for the information you need. Start with the basics: a column for names, another for companies, and don't forget to include email addresses and phone numbers. These are the foundational elements of any CRM. As you continue to customize, think about any additional information that might be useful for your business. Maybe you want to track the last time you contacted someone, or perhaps you need a column for notes about your interactions. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility, so feel free to add as many columns as necessary to capture the details that matter most to you. While setting up your CRM, remember that Airtable also allows for different types of fields. You can have text fields, number fields, date fields, and more, depending on what kind of information you want to store. This makes it incredibly adaptable to whatever industry you're in, ensuring your CRM works for your specific workflow. Once you've set up your columns and fields, take a moment to review your layout. Make sure everything is clear and intuitive to navigate. You might also want to consider adding color coding or tags to help differentiate between categories or priority levels. And there you have it, a fully customized CRM built in Airtable, ready to help you manage your contacts and streamline your business processes. Remember, the more you use it, the more you'll discover new ways to optimize it to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.